freeway. Can I just step a little bit to get shots of the action?
You need to stay out of the sidewalk.
I have to stay in the road, not on the sidewalk? Isn't that opposite of how it normally works?
Move off the freeway or you will be arrested. Move off the freeway or you will be arrested.